Good afternoon, everyone. We are at the safety fair, so we're gonna take the kids here. They're supposed to have a fire truck that they get to see the inside of and then show them some different like workshop stuff. So should be really interesting. We're excited. Are you guys excited to see a fire truck? Let's go. Six. Or seven. Sorry, seven. Sorry.
And the booths we have set up today, there's a free narcan.
Okay.
Narcan booth with some toddler CPR, some car safety, some birth control. There's a booth about
Hold on, I'm talking.
and there will be a fire truck for insurance.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Just a color picture. Huh? This is cool.
There's only two of these, and then there's only three of these.
Oh, they're real. Oh, they are real. They look kind of cool.
Yeah, and they're shaking. What are those, Mom?
Let's do the next one. Now it's a mom's turn. Ready? Here, you do this. Okay? You let it fall off your hand. Let it fall off your hand, Mama. Yeah, drop it. There you go. You got a heart card. Move forward. Come on. Hear it. Good job. You gotta be able to hear. They're gonna teach you about it. Look at Mommy teeth. Pretty. Good job.
Engineer. This is a special engine. It's not our normal engine. It's not painted the same. This is dedicated to one of our retired fire engineers. After she left us, she found out she had cancer, and she got treatment, and she beat it. He sits up the front. He doesn't just sit up there and look pretty. He's actually guiding our engineer to where we need to go for fires, for emergency medical calls, for smells in the area. We get called for smell. This guy right back here, that's where the firefighters sit. They're the ones that are going to be waving to you because they don't really have a whole lot. This is our medical gear that we have. And we carry, this is just like a big toolbox. We have hose, water, and lots of tools in it. So we're just gonna kind of walk around the engine and get to look at the compartments. We're not gonna pull things out, but kids, you can look at it. You guys can, we'll point some things out as we go through.
Come on, keep going. Keep going. You can look at stuff, see, but don't touch. Don't touch. You can see it though.
That one's full of fun stuff.
Wow. So they get to learn how to use all this stuff. You get to see a real fire truck. It's not just on the road. You get to see it.
Guys, I think this is the best spot to take it right here.
Yep. Everyone's
It just comes out as it is, but it only takes 50 pounds of pressure at 200 feet as opposed to 100 pounds. And that's a max. I mean, we could do less, but that's the max. Correct. But it's a solid stream of water versus a drop. These, so when I first came on, we had two sizes of hose. We had 3-inch and 2.5, and that's what we would connect to a hydrant to an engine. So by the time I am fully dressed, before I picked up the tool, I have put on an extra 65 pounds. So dispatch us the call. They dispatch us to the call.
Think you can pick up? Yeah.
And carry her around on your back, and then pick up a hose.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, that's just something to think about. You just got to be strong, right? You got to have good wind and the muscles.
Yep.
And eat good. Fire safety.
Fire safety.
see how big that tire is and how the size you are? So when we're coming through the neighborhoods and you see our trucks coming, a lot of people go, oh, fire truck, and they want to come run out. And this, well, the closest we can get, the harder it is for us to see because you're way down there. So it's best if you stay in your yard and wave.
Yep, and wave.
We'll
Yep.
try to wave to you if we're not busy, okay?
Yeah.
So that's just a big safety thing.
That's a good safety tip. Yep. Okay, y'all, so we had a good time at the little thing for the kids. It was super fun. I think they really enjoyed themselves. They got to see a fire truck and hear about like fire safety and just the different components of a fire truck and other fun safety stuff. So it was fun. Now I am heading to my hair appointment. Actually, I'm getting my hair done. Super exciting. And so I'm gonna go ahead and head that way. This is a new person. I have not gone to this hair lady before, and I'm a little skeptical, okay? But we're gonna see. We're gonna see how it goes. It might be good. I don't know. And I did not get to eat much at all today, so of course I have some freaking McDonald's. I don't even like eating McDonald's anymore. It makes me feel gross, like sick and just uncomfortable. But it is what it is. We gotta do what we gotta do today. I can't be passing out and dying in nobody's house that I don't know. So we're just gonna roll with it. But I am on my way now. It's quite a few hours later since I last talked to you guys. I was at my hair appointment for dang near 5 hours about. Kind of. It took quite a bit of time. I read a lot of my book though, so I don't even care. That was so nice, and it turned out so cute. I really like the color. I love the style. But now I am going to head home, and so I'm going to end this video off here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below any other types of videos you may want to see, as well as nice comments. We love reading them, replying. Subscribe to become part of the Davis clan, and hit the bell to be notified every time I make a new video on this channel. Besides that, I will see you guys in the next video. Till next time.